The next step in FM synthesis, Nemesis. Nemesis takes FM synthesis to its next evolutionary step, NeoFM synthesis. NeoFM is an exclusive new and improved approach to FM synthesis that is extremely powerful and intuitive. Nemesis includes traditional FM synthesis, as well as a completely new and improved approach to FM, called NeoFM synthesis. It is now easier than ever to get very good sounding results. The sound quality of Nemesis surpasses conventional synths, making it easy to locate the sonic sweet spot. Nemesis features an easy-to-use interface, which ensures that you will experience FM synthesis at its best and most entertaining. Nemesis features pristine tonal quality and offers sonic possibilities far beyond the scope of conventional FM synthesizers. A uniquely silky signature sound is generated by Nemesis's synth engine, which is capable of providing warm, smooth, and creamy tones, as well as the classic cold sounds FM synthesis is well known for. Whether you desire a crisp, clean sound or downright nasty tones, the NeoFM Engine delivers with the highest sound quality possible. As quick and easy as it is to dial in good sounding results with Nemesis, sometimes you just want to rely on a good and inspiring sound library. This is why Nemesis comes bundled with more than 1,000 sounds. Each sound is carefully built by a professional sound designer and is crafted with great attention to detail. The result is a sound library that is inspirational to work with and that will fuel your creativity. Nemesis offers an innovative approach called NeoFM synthesis, which is genuine FM synthesis. The innovative NeoFM approach, exclusive to Nemesis, combines only the advantages of both types of synthesis without suffering from any of the weaknesses associated with PM or real analog FM synthesis. Aside from NeoFM synthesis, Nemesis features an astounding selection of no fewer than 22 combinable synthesis types, from waveshaping, phase distortion, sync, wavetable, ring mod, vintage FM, up to the reso and advanced format synthesis exclusive to Nemesis. Each synthesis type is built with attention to sound quality, musical potential, and the capability to produce a wide variety of sounds not possible with other synths. Resynthesis a waveform from your own samples, or use the comfortable Additive Spectral editor to further manipulate and shape your wave by editing its partials. With several play modes like polyphonic, monophonic, and legato, true 4x stereo unison, 22 synthesis types, and an unlimited number of waveforms, and the sky is the limit.
Welcome.
As important as anything else within a synth are the effects. We spent a great deal of time ensuring that Nemesis featured a suite of high-quality effects. No less than 33 effects are available from the effects section. To complete these effects, several flexible routing options are included. The innovative ducking mode makes your mix sound more transparent and fat. Nemesis offers smart micro-tuning exclusive to Nemesis, which makes chords sound both fatter and more transparent at the same time. It also offers optional punch and psychoacoustic features to add a little kick to your sound. Almost a synth by itself, the Arpeggiator section holds the key to all of your arpeggio needs. It offers a way to set up your own arpeggios that is both powerful and easy to work with. We develop smart algorithms which return melodies that are more useful musically than conventional arpeggiators. Working with the Arpeggiator is extremely simple. Just lay down your notes inside the note sequencer as you normally would and select the play direction. The Arpeggiator also supports optional advanced features such as Auto-Chords, polyphonic playback, pitch slides, legato, swing shuffle, split, matrix integration, and it gives you very precise control over note sorting, play direction, and velocity. Don't feel like programming your own patterns? Use one of the built-in patterns, or load one of the many external pattern presets to use as a starting point. Working with an arpeggiator should be fun and inspiring. The Arpeggiator in Nemesis is as fun and inspiring as it is powerful, flexible, and easy to use. Nemesis also offers a dedicated gate section. As with the Arpeggiator, we aim to make this as intuitive and flexible as possible. The gate section provides advanced features like contour, fading, swing, and shuffle to fine-tune your gate to perfection. Arpeggiator, gate, and modulation run in perfect sync with each other. This allows you to use the three together in all kinds of creative ways, and it makes them easy to use and fun to play with. Modulation is where the true power of a synthesizer emerges. By using the modulation matrix, Nemesis allows you to connect dozens of modulation sources to all-important sound parameters. Want to use an LFO to wobble your filter? Simply set the proper assignments inside of the modulation matrix, and you're on your way. Modulate almost any parameter, well up into the audio rate speed from internal modulation sources, like the LFOs, to a wide variety of MIDI messages. We've also included MIDI Learn, so assigning CCs is as simple as a right click and a knob turn. Since it is impossible to describe a sound with words, and because a demo song cannot show the dynamic expression and huge sonic range that Nemesis provides, we recommend that you download the free demo to hear Nemesis's unique sonic capabilities for yourself.